Okay guys, good morning. We're here at Boom Chicken together with these guys. Oh, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Okay. Oh, now, sinundo namin si Fiona right now, Sunday. And then, diretso na kami ng lunch. So, yan. Nag-crave kami ng chicken dito sa Angeles. So, ayan. Mas gusto daw nila yung chicken. So, ayan. So, ano yan? Is that, anong kinakain mo? Ano yan?
Ramyun.
Ramyun. So, waiting pa kami dun sa mga ibang chicken namin na in-order. So, ayan. Sarap niya. Siyempre, the usual. Yung egg dito, for free. Ginawa ko scramble yung side, then ginawa ko sunny side up. And then, ang maganda rito pag may ramyun ka, you can put it dun sa taas. Itong mami. Yung JC, it's delicious. It's not spicy. No, it's not spicy. Like it. You want to put some kimchi on it? No? Okay. Oh, wow, we're eating this side dish. No, don't put that. It's not for there. We're experimenting. Experimenting with that, you silly. Okay. So si Madam solved with the Olivia Rodrigo concert. So solve siya.
First concert enjoy.
Yes, first concert,
Nag-enjoy daw
syempre.
siya.
Nice naman yan eh. So, nag-enjoy din sa
Kain
food.
ka na.
Okay. Guys, yan. Muna natin itong soup. So, we'll be back later. Tingnan natin ulit yung food namin na chicken. Okay?
Naman si Tito Joseph. Nag-heart-heart.
Sige. Okay, bye!